Good evening to all. A very good evening to all.
Good evening.
Now it is 4:30, isn't it?
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, very good evening to all of you. Do you remember anything of the previous class?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What did we learn? What did we learn?
Discovering India one.
Discovering India.
One.
Okay, how did we discover, my dear? How did we discover?
Oh.
How was our discovery about our state, our country?
Village, town,
Okay, we learned village, villages,
town,
towns,
and
cities,
cities.
form,
Towns and cities.
and I said all these three
Form
form the
state.
state. Is it clear to you all? Is that much clear to you all?
Yes.
So the villages, town, cities forms the state. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then we learned
States.
who governs what. Okay. We learned
States and
villages governed by whom? Panchayat. Gram
Panchayat.
Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. Then town.
Municipal council.
Okay, so we learned who governs what. Now we reached still where? States, isn't it? Which is our state? Which is our state?
Kerala.
Yeah, it is not Keralam, it is Kerala. It is Kerala. Our state is Kerala. So our state is formed through these villages. Now we know town. Town is governed by
Municipal council. Municipal council. Municipal councils. Cities are governed by municipal corporation. Municipal corporation.
municipal. Now these form the state. Villages, town, cities, what?
Villages, towns, and cities together form.
Together form state. Ma'am, the village, town, and city together form states.
Okay, now I can hear some of the parents sitting close to the children and prompting them. Parents, kindly move from the side of the kids. Let them learn, let them answer wrong thing. I will correct them. I'm happy that you are checking them. When there is a technical error, you can support them. But once they attend the class, let them listen and let them say the wrong answer. I will correct them. Okay? So these villages, towns, and cities forms the.
Together form states.
And now we learned who governs these areas. We learned villages are governed by Gram Panchayat, towns are governed by municipal council, cities are governed by
Municipal
corporation.
corporation.
Now we have to learn about
States and unique territories of India.
okay, now wait. Can can you all say in which country? In which country are we staying?
India. India.
Is our country.
India.
India is the world's seventh largest country.
Okay, now one more question. Listen now. If you're going on talking like this, you will not be able to listen to me. Okay? Now listen. We learned the states are formed, villages, towns,
Towns
cities
and
form the
cities
state.
are from states.
State. Now,
State and state form state and territories of India. Territories of India.
don't simply say something. Now, listen, watch what I am writing. Okay. Then you can say the answer when I ask you some questions. Territories.
Such large country for
For our country. States and union territories form our
country.
Can you read? States and
States and unit territories form our country.
So we learned now how a state is formed and how a country is formed. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now that is clear. And how many states are there in India?
29 states. 29 states.
29
29.
states.
29 states.
Here I wrote 29. Then we have how many union territories? 7.
7 union territories.
So these two makes our country. Okay, is this clear to you? Okay, now we will check as we learned who governs our state. Who governs our state? Governed by
State governed by government.
state's government. Who is governing our state?
State governed by state government.
Okay.
Governed
In the state government, who is the leader? The person who governs is our
Chief Minister.
Who is our chief minister? Who is our chief minister?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yeah, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. We have a ministers who can support Pinarayi Vijayan for each facilities or for each sector, they have a minister like education minister, minister for defense, all this. But the chief minister is who?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yeah. He with his other ministers take care of our state.
So nice.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Our chief minister with the help of other ministers takes care of our
Country.
state.
State.
Chief minister have authority over only one state. Okay. Now, who governs our country?
Narendra Modi.
Who country? Country is governed. Governed by
Country. Government.
central government. So our country is governed by central government. State is governed by state government. And our country is governed by country is governed by okay. Where is our central government office located? Which state is our capital?
New Delhi.
So, okay. From there is our central government. Okay. This central government is located in New Delhi. Okay. Who is our prime minister? Don't simply say Narendra Modi. It is Mr. We have to respect him, no? Our prime minister is Mr.
Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi.
And who is our president? Very good. Who said that answer?
Siddharth.
Very good, Siddharth. Very good. Clap for him. Who is our president?
Ramnath Kovind.
Mr. Ramnath Govind.
Ramnath Kovind.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Govind. Ramnath.
Kovind.
He's Naren.
Amma.
See, at least these three names you should remember. Who is our chief minister?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Don't say simply
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan.
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Who is our prime minister?
Narendra Modi.
President? Who is our president?
Mr. Ramnath Kovind.
Will you forget these names?
No.
See, we learned state is governed by state government and country is governed by central government. Villages are governed by Gram Panchayat. Cities are governed by municipal corporation. Towns are governed by
Municipal Council.
Then I have a doubt, who takes care of union territories? Have you ever thought of it? Union territories are directly governed by Central government. Government.
Government. Central government.
So
Central government.
we have, wait, listen now. State is governed by the state government and we have a chief minister and we learned the name of the chief minister. Here the union territory will come under central government. Mostly sometimes the governor himself will take care of the union territory. This is just for your information, okay? Nothing to worry. I know this is little hard for you all to understand. So we made it very simple just to learn it, who governs what and how a state is formed and how a country is formed. Is still that clear for you all?
Yes. Yes.
It is very clear for you. And I said, I taught you who is our Prime Minister, who is our President,
President.
and who is our Chief Minister. Is that much clear to you?
Yes.
Is this was this topic little tough?
India. Yes.
You are able to understand, isn't it?
Yes.
Which is the capital? Which is the capital state of our Kerala?
Trivandrum.
Yeah.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Now it is called as Thiruvananthapuram.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Puram
Thiruvananthapuram.
is capital of
Thiruvananthapuram.
Kerala.
Kerala.
And capital of India.
New Delhi. New Delhi.
New Delhi. So these names you should remember. Okay. Now I'm going to just teach you what is a government. It is there in your book. You will repeat after. A government is a group of people. It's important for a country. Government is a group of people. That that makes important. That makes important decision. What is the spelling of decision? D-E-C-I-S-I-O-N. For a okay. What is the spelling of government? E government. M-E-N-T. So, government is a group of people. It is not one person. I said with Narendra Modi, there is president as well as cabinet ministers. So, that government is a group of people that makes important decision Okay, important decision of for a country. In other countries, they will have their own ministers, kings, or like emperors, whatever it may be. One person does not rule the country. It's a group of people. The group of people will make some important decisions for a country. That is called government. It is there in your book, page number 39. Okay? Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you the questions of both the classes. Okay? Yeah. Now tell me, dear children, one by one. Okay? One by one. All of you mute yourself. All of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Only the person to whom I am asking question should answer me very smartly. Is it clear? Deros, please mute. Okay. Anaisi Ajay Kumar, please mute. Okay, now all have muted. Adhika, don't bite, don't bite. Okay. Now the first question is to Advait. Advait, can you hear me? Now unmute yourself and answer me. Okay? All the others don't unmute. Only Advait will answer me. Ready? Advait, ready? Advait, tell me who governs the town? I can't hear you. On your mic, make the voice louder. I can't hear you, Advait. Make the volume little more high. And just press that button in the mic. There is a button, yeah. And make that sound clear. Very good. You say the answer now. No, dear, I cannot hear you. Muhammad Isan. Muhammad Isan, just tell me who governs the town.
Municipal.
Municipal? Come on. Municipal? Tell your mother not to prompt. You try. I will correct you. I will teach you. Muhammad Isan. Municipal? Yeah, it is municipal council. Okay, the town is governed by municipal council. Now, Agna Junil, tell me who governs the country. Just we learned. Let me see whether you were attentive. Who governs the country? Who governs? Just now we finished learning. Agna, say louder. I can't hear. No. Who governs our country? I said the state is governed by someone and the country is governed by someone. Adinath, can you tell? All the others, please listen. We are revising the portion which we have learned. Adinath, who governs the country? Ameya, tell me. Who governs the country? Ameya, unmute and say.
Central government.
Very good. What is the answer?
Central government.
Central government. And who is the head of the central government? President and Prime Minister and President. Okay. They makes through the other cabinet ministers, they govern the country. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So who governs the country?
Yes.
Who governs the country?
Central
Ah,
government.
Central. Raika, tell me who governs the country?
Central government.
Gauri Nanda, tell me who governs the country? Who governs the country?
Central.
Gauri Nanda, answer me. Who governs the country? Yashika,
Central government.
it is our country is governed by central.
Central government.
Children, repeat after me. Who governs?
Central government.
Our country is governed by central government.
Our country is governed by central government.
And say the spelling. Central. CENTRAL.
COUNTRY country.
And central government.
Government.
GERMENT. Government.
Government.
GERM.
Emperor.
EENT government.
Yeah, MENT. Government. Devananda. You're playing in between, isn't it? Now, who rules our state? Now, my question is to Anai C. Ajay Kumar. Anai, tell me who governs our state? Who governs our state? Okay, Asher Benny. Asher Benny, tell me who governs our state? Asher Benny is playing with the headset. Okay. What happened to you? Why you entered late?
My video not come. That is why.
Okay, Arav Krishna, tell me who governs our state?
Ma'am, I don't hear the question.
Who governs our state?
Ma'am, Daros.
And Leros. Who governs our
State
state?
government.
I told
State
that.
government.
See, Deros, if you do like this, it's not correct. I will give you chance. Deros, you know the question. Please, on the video. Please.
State government.
Yeah, Deros, I will give you chance. There are children who are not listening to the class. Them, I am asking first. Okay? When I ask you to Deros, that time Deros can answer it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you are answering very smartly. You understand well. But there are some in our class who is not listening to our class properly. So I have to catch them. I have to make them understand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Lysel, tell me the name of our president. Lysel.
Narendra Modi.
I'm asking the name of our president.
Ramnath Kovind.
Who is saying that? Who is saying that? I told I'm asking.
Lethal.
Lysel, tell me loudly who is our president?
Ramnath Govind.
Who said that answer? Who said that answer?
Namagina.
I told. I want the person to whom I am asking.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Alvina, tell me.
Alvina.
Alvina Anthony, tell me who is our chief minister?
Narendra Modi.
Alvina Anthony, who is our chief minister?
Narendra Modi.
It's not Narendra Modi. I'm asking about chief minister. You have to say Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. Say,
Mr. Pinarayi.
Agna Anil, you are sitting and eating in the class. That's not fair. That's not fair. Don't do. See, though you are not in a classroom, when you attend a class, you are to behave, you have to behave as if you are sitting in the classroom. Okay? After the class, you can have your tea and your snacks. Okay? Now, Atika, who is our Prime Minister?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Very good. So, children, this much is clear to you?
Yes.
Please read this chapter. Chapter 5, Discovering India, page number 36, 37. 36, that is introduction. 37 and 39.
Ma'am, what is a union territory?
Union territory.
Yes.
That I will explain tomorrow. Okay, what is a union territory and how it is formed and who governs the union territory? Because too much now for you all to understand. I have taken little, what you say, dry subjects. This is those who love to learn history, they will like it. I think Siddharth likes history. Okay? Okay, now about union territory, I will teach you in the next class. How the union territory is formed and who governs union territory and what is the speciality of union territory. I will teach you in the next class. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, dear children.
Yes.
Learn,
Bye-bye.
read it, learn the spellings and come to the next class. Smart answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Bye-bye.
Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. Bye.